Good morning. So I'm just waking up, and over the years living alone, I have learned that mornings are a very vulnerable time for me. If it starts off on the wrong foot, I feel like it takes over the rest of my day. And I know that isn't the best, but I really can't help it. So I've learned over the years that starting my morning off intentionally by doing something I love brings me more happiness. And that was making drip coffee. I really enjoy this because it takes forever to make drip coffee. Grabbing the coffee grounds, filling the machine with water, pressing that button, and hearing the machine whirl, it really just levels me and it makes me really happy. A small action like that just kind of sets me up for a slow and intentional day. No matter how crazy it's going to get a few hours later, I can at least know that my morning was calm, intentional, and really lovely. And this is my absolute favorite way to live a really good life, is with how I start my mornings. I feel like I'm Carrie Bradshaw right now, typing away and having an introspective moment, but unfortunately that's exactly what's about to happen. This second one is actually what inspired this entire video. For the first time in my life this year, I've been working an office job. I've been working 9 to 5, and it's been a really, really cool job, but I've never really experienced this before. I've always been able to work from home, remote, and have time to do some of the creative things that I want to accomplish in the middle of the day instead of at the very end. So something I've been doing this week while my job has allowed us to work from home is writing down at the start of the morning a few things that I like to accomplish that gets me a little bit closer to my dreams. Maybe that's putting some time aside to film a TikTok for like 5 minutes, or maybe that's editing a video for an hour during my lunch break, or maybe that's, I'm not really sure, to be honest with you, because I still need to write down this list today, but it really could be anything. And making this list every day of things that are not work related has really been so helpful. This is what I accomplished yesterday and what I hope to accomplish today. You've got to do your job and pay your bills, but maybe it's also important to you to set some time to dream set. My mom gave me a magnet once that said, "Whatever you do, do it well." And I never forgot that because it's so true. Anything you put your mind to, just try. Put your best effort to that task. There are so many days where I'm working my job where I literally feel like I have imposter syndrome. I'm not good enough. I feel like I'm not smart enough. But I know that I sure as heck am working so hard to try to understand what I'm doing, and that means so much to me. Whatever I'm doing, I want to just try and put enough effort, because that is what makes me happy, is knowing that I respect myself and I know I'm trying really, really hard, because all you can do is try. And whatever you do, just try to do it well. Number 4 is nourish your body as best as you can. When you're working a 9 to 5, it is so hard to find time to cook yourself a meal. Like, you really do have to make such an effort. But lately, I've been really just adding in hours in my day that I can dedicate to cooking, and it has made me feel like I'm living my best life. I am making time to put good food in my body. And one of those examples is a smoothie that I've been making myself every single day. I have not gotten sick of it, and this is how I make it. That is so good. I think I've nailed the recipe. You have to make this. I'll put it in the description below. And I made a YouTube short making this smoothie. It is incredible. Look at this salad. Oh my gosh. Can you even see this? It's huge, but I'm so hungry after this smoothie. I'm gonna be real. I feel like before this week, I did not work out ever. I legit don't have any time, it feels. So being that I'm working from home this week, I really wanted to take advantage of this time. So I signed up for ClassPass, and my BFF Sheridan and I picked 3 classes to do this week. Monday, we did floor Pilates. Tuesday, I did that Alexis Wren 10-minute ab workout. And today, Sheridan and I are going to do reformer Pilates together. Sheridan, have you ever been here?
Nope. First time.
First time. My gal waited in the car for me. That's true friendship. And this really has helped me show myself some extra love and has helped me feel a lot happier. That was amazing. Another really great way to live your best life, especially when you're busy working, is making time for your loved ones and your friends. Tonight, I have some really fun plans. I'm going to be seeing my friends tonight for a little girls' dinner and catch up, and I'm just so excited.
Hello.
Oh my god. Is that Sonali? Oh my god. Spending time with my friends, calling my boyfriend, talking to my mom and dad, FaceTiming Sheridan, these things are always what fills up my cup. I'll take this one, but this one's funfetti, this one's red velvet, and then this one is carrot cake, which is also a fave.
Okay, I love carrot cake.
I got all of my favorites.
I was like, carrot cake is my favorite. Oh my gosh.
Did we have fun?
So much
Yes.
fun.
All the tea. So fun.
Okay, bye. Oh my god. This isn't what it looks like.
It's oregano.
I love dimming the lights, watching a show, or going on my computer. The way you end your day is just as important as how you start your day. And I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it's quite dark in here. And I love it. I love having that little circular orb looking thing on, and it just makes me so calm. Once the sun is down, so are my lights. I cozy up in bed, give my boyfriend one last call, go on TikTok a little bit to calm my system, which could be the opposite, but for me, I love it. And taking a nice shower and doing my skincare. It is blissful, and I look forward to it every single night. Thank you for spending this day with me. I hope you got some really good tips on 7 gentle ways to live your best life while working a 9-to-5. Please comment below which tip is going to be the most helpful for you, and also comment below some other tips that you can share with others. I know it was a really special one, and having you there means a lot, so thank you for spending this day with me. Please make sure you're subscribed. It really shows support, and let me know if you want more videos like this by giving it a thumbs up. Love you. Bye.